place to be. The shit in the building, Baby Bash. And man, it's going down.
Sets in the building.
What just happened?
We killed that shit. We stepped on stage. We stepped off stage. We got
Take the
panties off. There's probably about, I'm gonna get a call tomorrow and there's gonna be like 4 bitches like, you know, I'm having your baby at 9 months, but I didn't touch him.
That's evidence right there, though.
How do those fit around your big old butt? Damn! She's sending the pennies?
What the fuck, boy? You know what we do? People, I see you put your cuts up and all that good shit.
Ronnie just won at bingo, so he bought himself a slice of
I
pizza.
had a real good metropolis. I can handle it. Larping up before the show.
Who are you?
Blah, blah, blah.
I'm a Live Life girl. My other half is over here. We're over here at the Latin Explosion concert, which hopefully everybody that's watching came out.
She said explosion.
What up, boy?
You know what it is. We doing a real B.I.G. We putting the table, filling it up with some shirts. We got some CDs, and we're finna rock the stage. Hey, y'all say hi to the camera. What's
Hi, camera.
Go first. Your lens.
Yo, what's poppin'? You know what it is. It's your boy Toxic doing some live printing tonight. Y'all better fuck around. What's poppin'? Hey, baby.
Tonight we go by the same, we doing this. That's in the building.